Hi guys, I just got a call to come and pick up my Temu order. So, inside this order, I will have my last mic that I'm going to be reviewing very soon. I'm going to be reviewing on YouTube only all the mic that I have as a content creator very, very soon. I can't wait to get this order. I'm also going to the shop to see if I can do some other things, right? And also transfer some files I have on my phone to my SD card. I finally got my package. Can you see? All of them here. So you're going to be doing unboxing to see what is inside. My neighbors, they have started work. And see how this place is just booming. Like, this is going to be a very busy area. And I'm loving it. This is what was delivered to me. So this is supposed to be one order, but they said it's because of water spillage also that they are not going to deliver it the same time. So because of the hair that I got, so I got this roller for the hair in case if I want to style it or, you know, do whatever. So initially I thought this was a coiler and also, but this is what I got. So if I'm ordering again from Temu, I will read the description before placing my order. So which one is this? Oh, I got this from my iron, which is true. So the one that I have was not hitting it very well. Let me show you guys. I got this one. Wait, let me show you guys perfectly well. So I got this one at the initial time, but I noticed that when it hits, that it will take a very long time for the heat to be on this side. So I decided to get this one to just test the two to see how it will go. So the reason why I got this because of burning of clothes. That's why I got this. So since this one is now here, I'm going to be seeing or testing how it looks like. This looks like pepper. Like this one, this particular one looks like pepper, but this one is iron. I'm going to be doing testing the mic. To see. So I'm going to be testing the mic. If you are not careful with this thing, this thing will just do boom for your eye. What? Wow. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this is how it is on my iron. I think I prefer this one because this one will be direct heat from the iron to this pepper, and it fits perfectly well and it holds very well. There's no shifting at all, so the cloth will not burn. I think when I test it, I will know if this one is actually a good buy or not, but for now I can't say and I can't conclude. So what again did I get? Wow, like everything here. There was a time I ordered from Temu and they lost my ring. The ring that I got that I wanted to use for my anniversary. They lost it. What? So last. So I got this for my live session. Yeah. So for my live, if I'm making a live video, and definitely I'm going to be getting another phone so that when I'll be going live, I will just mount my influencer light here, then mount the two phones here and be doing my live show or doing whatever. So this is a must for me and I got it. Yeah, I got it. This one is a good buy. What again did I get? What again did I got? Wow, this is so little. So this is a lace glue for my wigs, but this is little. Like, it's so small. Oh, wait, you guys should wait. You guys should wait. You guys should wait. So this is my watch. Let's see how it looks. I've always wanted to get something like this for myself. Like, so this is how it looks. It's a watch, a smartwatch. A smartwatch. Did they give me pink? No, they didn't. They gave me purple. I didn't choose purple, no. They gave me purple. Fully charge the watch. Okay, fully charge the watch before using. Long press the on and off button for 5 seconds to start the watch. I even have a charger to charge it. Okay, so I'm going to put this. So I have purple, so I'm going to put this in the light so it will charge. I don't know how it looks, I don't know how it works, but definitely it will work. Oh, I still have another one, sir. Oh, two more, three more. So inside here, what is this one? Like, these things are so small, but if you see it on their app, it will look so big. Like, it will look so big. This one is what? Oh, this one is called heat protector for my wig. So I'm going to be putting them inside the same place. Glue, heat protector. Yeah. So what's inside here? I got a lot of things this time. What's this one? Is this how this thing looks? These people they cheat person, no. So I got this lens for my camera in case if I want to get any detail, and also for my UGC journey, I decided to get this. I don't even know how this works. Like, I don't even know how it works. Where will I clip this on my phone? I don't know. I don't know how it works, but I got it for my influencer, for my UGC journey. UGC, am I right? Yes, for my UGC journey, I got it. So, but it's small. I know definitely it's small, but it's small. So what's this one? I don't know what's inside here. I didn't know. Last, I have this. So I got this. Wow. So I got this light, but this one is small. So I got this light for my. Wait. Oh, this is wow. I got this light for my YouTube. So it has this filter. It has this red filter, yellow filter, blue filter, green filter, and this one. So I don't know how it works actually. Maybe like this, then you will put the filter also. So I definitely don't know. But what I know is that I'll be using this a lot for my videos. It also comes with this stand. It also comes with this tiny stand. Like, this will serve me as a tripod. This will serve as a tripod for me. What? So if I'm going out, I'll just put this thing inside and use it as a tripod. Wow, that's very thoughtful of them. Oh, that's very thoughtful, and it's very easy to what? It's very easy to mount. Wow, very nice. And you can switch it like this, like turn it 180-degree, and it will stand. Like, I love this. I love this. I love this a lot. So prepare to be sick of me here on YouTube, because I'm going to be doing a lot of sit down vlogs. Now I got to my mic, this one, and another ones in case. But be rest assured that you are going to be sick of me. And this, it also has a controller. So this controller comes with on, increase, rotate, and decrease. So this is definitely a good buy. See, from this now, from henceforth, from now till, in fact, from now henceforth, guys, we are through with the first package. This is the second one. We are going to unbox and see what they gave us. What's this? See, you see something with these Temu people, So I got this extra pin. I got this extra pin. Can you see it? But this is what they showed on their website, something like this. Can you see? I don't know if you guys can see it. They showed something like this and they delivered this. It's my fault, yeah. It's my fault, yeah. I was looking for something that is cheap. That is why they gave me this. No problem. No problem. Oh. Me, I'm not blaming them. Oh. But Temu, if you are seeing this video, know that you owe me my ring, which I paid for. You did not give it to me for free, and you guys misplaced it. I have told you guys as a review, but you people don't want to give me my order. But it's well. So this is this Kukiho mic that everybody is talking about. So I think this is, I got the one in orange because I don't want black, 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 black. I want to be different. Was it? Yeah. Yeah, oh, like this Kukiho comes with a lot though, like the pamphlet, see the PDF, this is na Kukiho boko very here. Like it came with a lot, like a lot. Ha, God, I beg. See the pamphlet, see how it looks. And this is my highest mic that I have ever gotten. Highest mic I have ever gotten. So this is how it looks, this is how it comes. And oh, I love the pouch. I love the color. Like this orange is given 10/10 minus 9. Guys, I can't shout. Guys, this orange color is mad. It's mad. Wait. Wait, oh. Wait, oh. It's not complete, oh. Aha! I foresee because they said this is the cord. This came with a cord. It also comes with this iPhone receiver. Because I was like, this is not complete. Like, where is my iPhone receiver? How can I use this? So we are going to be testing it together to see if it's actually what they portray this is. So we are going to go with this. Oh, this thing is not even charging. So, but let's see. Let's see. It's a noise cancellation mic. I love the magnetic force of this. Like, it's so magnetic. The magnetic is not strong, but it's kind of strong. It's strong, but not like strong like that. Sha. So I'm going to be removing this seal to allow it to charge. But before then, oh no, I'm not going to remove this to avoid scratch. So let's test this to see how it sounds actually. Guys, I can't wait. So I'll be doing this and then put this one on as a replacement. So I'm going if it's connected or not. So how do you guys see this? How do you guys see this sound effect and also the common one that I was using before? So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm going to be pinning it on clipping it on my outfit. So what do you guys think? Is it a good buy because of the sound effect? Does it block any noise? Let me know. I don't know the effect this is on, but I think when you are pressing, how does it sound right now? How does it sound right now? Let me know. Let me know. Guys, see you guys. Let me just be fast and then do my sewing before I'll start going home. So I'm just here to give you guys a review of what I got from Temu. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like, drop your comments and drop your comments down below before I start delaying. So bye. See you guys in my next.